What is up, boys? I'm back with another trading session, and today I will take some trades based on candlestick psychology. Okay, so let's add a couple of pairs. Okay. Here you see that the market has been going up, right? So we had this trend, and we'll still have this trend going up, but every time the price reached this area, it had rejected. Okay. And now it's trying to create that head and shoulder and drop again to the downside. So I'm looking for entering and going with the sellers here, okay? Because the next seller's entry is gonna be here. 3, 2, 1. Let's go with the sellers. Oh my god, look at this gap. Yeah. This is also a kind of bad market. I guess I can enter one more trade if price comes up to this area, okay? Yes, it's coming. Okay, enter right here. Well, let's see. Okay, we have this healthy trend right here. This is a very healthy trend. Okay, if this candle closes a very good green candle with a little bit, the small amount of shadow, I can go with buyers, otherwise not. No, I don't see any buyers. Strength right there. Okay, and this is the trade. Okay, here I will go with sellers. If the price goes up somewhere here, I will enter one more trade. You know why? Because we have this lower low. Okay, this is a lower low, and this is a doji. Okay, I told you that after dojis we should have retracement, because dojis are sign of indecision and ranging market. So dojis create us range like this. Okay. So when we have a range and we broke that range, the price is very likely, there's high probability of getting back to that ranging market. Okay. And also this is a minor downtrend as well, but major uptrend. Okay. 2, 1. Okay. Plus, listen, this is not the only reason. If you look, we broke this and we closed on this what? Closed on this round number. Okay, so we have two reasons. This is a ranging market, and when you have ranging market, price just keeps with the red and green patterns. Okay, and also we closed this as a inverted red hammer on this round number, so sign of reversal. We could take this trade, but I was talking and I didn't notice this opportunity. So let's move on. Okay, there's a rejection point. You see that the price has been rejecting from these 2 weeks, and it seems that it's trying to create three tops and then drop. So this is not a very good trade to enter right here. Oh, it is good. Let me just see. Okay, it was a good, I didn't notice this strong extreme level, but this was a bit pretty good. So if the price goes up one more time, I'm gonna enter. I hope I don't get, okay, I hope I'm not unlucky this time to fly up here, but normally it should get rejected just like this and close as a red candle, or at least a small green candle. Okay, sometimes you get into these kind of trades and you are unlucky and it breaks this and start another uptrend. Okay, it happens sometimes. So let me see. Okay, beautiful. This is pretty good level, and I should normally go with buyers. Let me see, but no, I don't see. I don't. Okay. Oh, this is an uptrend. minor uptrend. Everything is uptrend, so I should be thinking about going with the buyers here, right? So I draw the bullish trend lines, but this is a 50-50 chance of winning the trade, because if you look here, you have 2 red candles every time that it creates the red candle. It's just two. So based on the market sequence, I can go with buyers, right? But there's still a gap to this trend line. That would be perfect if this candle comes and closes on this trend line. That would be very good, but it's not happening. So should we go with this 50-50 trade? If your trade is a 50-50 trade, it's better to at least wait for marginal safety, okay? If this candle comes down somewhere here, I will enter, but it seems that the buyers entered already, okay? So yeah. Oh, they're rejecting. Even if this candle comes down and closes as a red candle, that's even better, okay? That's even better, because let me just I love to see this candle right here. I love it. Please. Okay. Let's move on to the next day. Okay, here you see that we have this rejection from the upper side of the candle, and if we move back, you see that this is a very good uptrend. So the priority here is going with the buyers, right? So the trend line has been is gonna get touched, okay, because it's lined up with this round number, okay, and also this is a very good uptrend. So we should just wait. So let me just draw the line here. We should just wait, okay? We could have been going with the sellers for a couple of candles, but there was a probability of losing the trade. Okay? Yeah, let's just wait. Okay. Okay, here also, if you look here, there's a very good rejections. So I should enter somewhere here. If it goes up a little faster, please. Okay, right here. Hopefully it's gonna get rejected. The more rejections you have on the way, the strong probability of getting rejected. Okay, sometimes you might enter and broke the rejection point and everything. Okay, don't get mad at yourself because it happens. Okay, it's happening actually right now. Yeah. Okay, here we have a rejection point and this round number, okay? And also this is a kind of bad market, so we can consider this one. Okay, here I go double trade with buyers here. Finally, we end up closing on the trend line. Okay, and also if you look here, we don't have such a lower low, but we have higher high, right? So high probability of winning this trade. That's why I always tell people that you have to wait for the perfect opportunity, okay? For example, on this trade, this wasn't a perfect opportunity, was it? No, it wasn't. Because this is a major uptrend, minor uptrend, okay? And this is not a very good rejection point. You cannot really draw a common line unless you draw this line. This is just two lines, okay? When I'm saying rejection point, I mean like so many weeks, so many weeks. Okay, so this was absolutely garbage, okay, this trade. And yeah, the reason why we lost this is because we didn't wait for the perfect opportunity, and this one was the perfect opportunity, okay? So I think that's enough for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, drop a like for me and the subscribe button. Peace out.